Meaning of ill-founded.
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 Ill-founded. Ill-founded means that something is not based on solid evidence or reasoning, and therefore is likely to be incorrect or unjustifiable. When an argument or decision is ill-founded, it means that it lacks proper support or has been made without considering all the relevant facts. This can lead to negative consequences such as incorrect conclusions, unfair judgments, or wasted time and resources. It is important to ensure that arguments are well-founded, meaning they have a solid basis in fact and logic, in order to arrive at valid and useful conclusions. Otherwise, flawed decisions may be made which can cause harm or have unintended consequences.